Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best Azdome Dashcam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best Azdome Dashcam to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Azdome PG17 Max. Specifications: brand name, Azdome. Aperture, f1.8. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 12-inch. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Display IPS. Number 4 is Azdome M300S. Specifications: brand name, Azdome. Aperture, 1.8. View angle, 150 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 800 mega. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Interface, USB 2.0, Wi-Fi, micro SD/TF. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 320 grams. As the item number 3 we've selected, Azdome Dashcam M660. Specifications: brand name, Azdome. Aperture, 1.8. View angle, 150 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Number of lenses, 4. Pixels, 200 mega. Display size, 3" to 5. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Display IPS. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 is Azdome M550 Pro. Specifications: brand name, Azdome. Aperture, 1.8. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3" to 5. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Display IPS. Warranty, 1 year. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Azdome Dashcam GS63H. Specifications: brand name, Azdome. Aperture, f1.8. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 2880 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 2.45 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Display IPS. Warranty, 1 year.